Hello and welcome to a new episode how to learn JavaScript from beginner to advanced. Today I would like to learn you how to select an item from an array randomly using Math.random function. With this function we will take randomly an item from an array and we'll create together a random dog image generator. Here I have just HTML with CSS files, and you see here I have a button and a image element. This is the button and this is the image element and my image element have this source. I will create after a function change dog image, and I put this function on this button. When I click this button, my image, my element image will be updated and his source will be modified with a randomly image take from an array. Let's see how to think this simple example. Firstly, you should to think how should to show my HTML. No, okay, should to have a button and should to have a display, a zone where I display the image. What should to happen when I click the button? When I click the button, should to change the source of my image element, of this element. Okay, and now let's pass to create the function. This function change dog image. Okay, let's create a script tag here because we will put here the code JavaScript and we'll put in line between these tags script. When browser see script, know that is JavaScript and we'll execute it. Okay, good. Firstly, should to create an array. Should to create an array and should to put in this array some URL. When you create an array, do you know, create a variable with multiple elements, no? Like here. Create an array of dogs. In array you can put what kind of variables do you want. You can put number, strings, boolean, what do you want. Okay, we define and create an array dog image with 4 elements. Between elements, do you see, you should to put a comma. An array is contain these square brackets, begin with square brackets and close with square brackets. Object is with another brackets, no? Okay, now should to create a function because I would like to take random an image from this array when I click, no? Okay, function change dog image. Let me to put here a comment. Take a randomly item from dogImages array. Good. And I have function change dog image. Okay, let me to read one more time this comment. Take a randomly items from dogImage array. Okay, should to create a variable random index, no? Because I want to take a random index. What is index? Index is start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Should to take a number. Index is a number. Start in JavaScript with 0. The first element have index 0. Has index 0. The second 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Const random index equal, I have a function Math.random and should to call it. Okay, let's see now, because what happens. What happens? Nothing. Let's put an alert, because we are in HTML. Alert random index. I want to see what is random index in this time. Random index is 0.169. Okay, but I need an integer number like 0, 1, 2, 3. I don't need 0.16 because JavaScript don't know to take some index, because there are an index. We have just 0, 1, 2, 3. And here is normal, is logic, my code doesn't work. Okay, this Math.random index give me an element, random element, but from 0 to 1. The function Math.random give you an index from 0 to 1, but I want an index from 0 to 4. Because I want to take all elements and I want an integer. I want to 0 from 0 to 4. Okay, okay. I have now just till 1, no? Because I have Math.random. And what should I do? Should to multiply with the number of array if I want to take an index randomly for this array. Okay, and for this I write dogImage.length, because that length is a function for who show the length of an array. Okay, now let's see what happens. I will comment this alert. I execute and I click, nothing happens. Okay, but I want to take a random index from this array. I have here dogImage array with 4 elements, and I put here Math.random who take an index from 0 to 1. Okay, didn't work. I multiply with the length of array because I have 4 elements, no? And didn't work. Why? Let's see. Decomment this and let me show you what is random index in this moment. Get new dog 0.6. okay, again 0, again 3. Okay, I advance because till now just with Math.random I have the element from 0 to 1, but I put dogImage length and now I have till 3.99 here is here I have a random 3.7. Okay, but it's not okay because I want an integer element, an integer, a simple 0 1 2 3, because the JavaScript don't know to take me from this array 3.7. Okay, what should I do? I will use another method who round the number, because I want to round down the number. I want the round in down the number to the nearest whole number, which guarantees that you get a valid index for the array. For example, if your Math.random that multiply dog image length give you I don't know 2.78, Math.floor, because I will put Math.floor, will round it down to 2, which is valid index for dog image, no? And you have 0 1 2. Okay, I will put Math.floor. This Math.floor will round it the number in down. If I put here sale up, round up. Okay, let's do a little summary briefly. Should to take a random index from this array, no? And for this my approach is I will take an integer number from 0 to 4 with function Math.random. Math.random give me a number from 0 to 1. I multiply this Math.random with length of array, because I want to take an index from my array. Doesn't matter if the last index or first. And this I will rounding down with Math.floor. Okay, let's see what happens. What happens here? 2 seconds, because I didn't restart. Okay, nothing, no problem. Let's see, my random index is a valid number, 0 1 integer number. I don't know. Yes, it's 2 random, 2 again, 1 1. I have 0. These are my images. Okay, I succeed to take a random index from my array. Now, should to change my image, my source of image, no? And for this, should to select the image element and update his source. Okay, update source, of course, with the random image URL. I will comment this. I will delete. Okay, let's select document get element by ID, because I select about ID. What ID I have for element image? I have dog image. Okay, and I want to update to modify the source dot source equal with how can to access an element into an array. We have array of this element, no? For array, square brackets and the index. Okay, and I put here array, sorry, no, this from here, array and index, and my random index I want now, because I want a random index, no a specifically index, just a random, and I take this. Okay, what I do in this function, initially I create this little function for take a random index from this array, and after I access this random array now with this dogImage random index. If you want to take just first element, is this approach, no? But here is not okay. I want to take what this function give me when I click the button, a random index. Let's see. Okay, no problem. I didn't update this button. I didn't press this button. Now it's okay. Okay, again press, and I take a random image from this URL, from this array, sorry. I take a random URL from this image, from this array, and I will display in this element image. Here just I change I update the source of this element image. No, I change the source. Okay, let me to put here to show an alert of this, because I want to display for show you this value for dogImage random index. Okay, dogImage random index is highlighted white terrier 0 1 2 3. No, is 3. Should to show now this highland white terrier, probably this, I don't know. Again, full attention, probably. Okay, again, white terrier, West Highland white terrier, West is 0 1 2 3, is the same white little dog. Okay, let's see. Yes, it's okay, it's okay. dogImage random index show you the URL, because what do this function, what is this bunch of code, this piece of code? Access an element in this array dogImage, and again I want alert I want to access dogImage of random index, and I access now Labrador Retriever, its index 0. now is here Labrador. Okay, take the value, take the URL from array. Okay, that was all for today. I hope you understand what I explain here. I hope you this video help you, and I waiting for you in the next tutorial. All the best.